Hello everyone. Today we will learn what is strings. The string is a group of characters. It declared using inverted commas and it can hold any data. It can include lowercase of alphabet A to Z and uppercase of alphabet A to Z or a combination of upper and lower, even a number also, and also special characters like at the rate, hashtag, dollar, percentage, asterisk mark, etc. Each character has an index which starts from 0 to the length of the string. They are immutable. Immutable means no addition, no deletion, no replacement possible. But concatenation possible. Concatenation means adding two different strings to make another new string. Here we can see an example that s is equal to ame, then we have to print s. And now let's see this with a live example so it will be easy for everyone to understand. I will let s ame and I will write print s. Now let's see. You can see that ame is now printed. Now I will write s is equal to s plus a in the string form. And what if I print s now again? Now you can see that this a this a is get added at the last of amaya, but in the definition it is saying that it is immutable, so no addition is possible. But here in example we can see that this a is added, but it's not like that. The thing which is happening here is, first we wrote s is equal to ame. Again when we define this s, so this ame is get printed here, then it is get added with this a. So we are not changing this original ame, we are actually adding a new ame with the a. Now you can see need of strings. We have lot of information which we stored. It actually stores as a string. Example is our pin code stored as a string, even our marks that also get stored in our string, and the name of product, pin code, even the mobile number also, that all are stored in the string format. Since we will not perform any mathematical operation on mobile number, so we consider it as a string. In the starting I explained you one thing, that each character has an index. Now let's see the example of this thing. I will write name, and in the string format I will write the name. Then I will write print name, so it will print directly the name of the string which I wrote here. But what if I write print name in the bracket 0? Now you can see that only s is printed. Why is it so? Because in the definition it is saying that each character has an index. So here every single character s, n, e, all these characters having the index. And in the previous class I explained you that index value starts from the 0. So s is on 0, n is on 1, continue 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write it again, and I will change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see that every single alpha character is now printed. If I write one more time, first I will comment it out this one. Now, if I try to print this one, it is saying that string index out of range. Why is it so? Because the total number of characters is present here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we are trying to print the sixth character which is not present in our string. So it is saying that index error, string index out of range. Now let's see the real word use of string, where we use the string in the real word. Let's see if I write password, will write 875, and I will write if loop. If I write if syntax, then I have to check the length of the password. Sorry, spelling password. If the password is less than 6, then print invalid and give the sentence that your password must be at least 6 characters long. We'll write else print valid password. Now let's check. Yes, it is a valid password because our password is more than 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I make it here 11, then invalid because we mentioned it that our password should be greater than 11. So now our password is 10 characters. So it is showing that invalid, your password should at least 11 characters long. If I make it again 5, yes, now it is a valid password. Now we will see that how to declare a string. To declare a string, we simply write as we wrote up there is as is equal to ame. This is how we declare our string. Okay, and if you want to check the length of the length of our string, then we will write print length s. Let's see what it gives output. 4. You can even count also. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is giving 4. If I make it one more, if I make it like this one, then it will change to 5. Yes. So now that's all for today. Thank you.